Have you heard about Jira Software? It's a project management tool that many teams use.
Yes, I have. It's a popular software used by many companies.
What are some of the key features of Jira Software?
Jira Software has many features, including agile boards, customizable workflows, and real-time reporting.
That sounds useful. What are the benefits of using Jira Software?
Jira Software can help teams work more efficiently and collaboratively, improve project visibility, and increase productivity.
That's great. How does Jira Software help with project management?
Jira Software provides a centralized platform for teams to plan, track, and manage their projects. It also allows for easy communication and collaboration between team members.
That sounds like it could really benefit our team. Do you know any companies that use Jira Software?
Yes, many companies use Jira Software, including Airbnb, Spotify, and NASA.
Wow, that's impressive. I think we should definitely consider using Jira Software for our team.
I agree. It's a great tool that can help us work more efficiently and effectively.